alert. Level 2. Intruder. Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Nothing to see here. Move along.
Like recruits.
I've got this.
Intrusion alarm. Level 2. All units alerted.
My turn.
Let's try this again. Who sent you?
An old friend.
System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing.
Taskmaster. What do you want?
HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet.
It's in the jet. Let's go.
Incoming call from Mr. Stark.
Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I sent help.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready when the Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
T'Challa, the vibranium!
Give it to me.
We got it. Let's go.
Friday, seal off Bay 94.
Yes, Ms. Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you.